welcome to my channel, and I'm back again. In today's video is I'm going to show you how to use the formulation in the website, putting the oil and putting the essential oil, and I'm gonna be putting also an additives of using this natural turmeric powder. I'm a little bit excited because this one is my first time to use turmeric, and it comes from India. A friend of mine brought me a very nice quality of turmeric and very fine grind turmeric powder. So let's go in do it. Yeah, so I'm very excited.
Okay, so the continuous of the soap formulation that I promised, what we do, we go into the search and we search so the soap calculation is already there. Let me enter. So don't worry too much about this advert, because it seems like from the beginning, before, for me, is this website I thought is not safe, but that is the way to earn. So they put some advert. So number one, you have to click this now, or sodium hydroxide, because the Q is for liquid, so we are not going to make a liquid. And number two is I put this one in the gram because that is unfamiliar, so I would like to do it 900 grams. In the water, number three, this one this is the average for the beginners is 38%, but you can decrease this one 36 to 38 like that, but I'm just going to leave that one. And the super fattening, I'm not going to add super fattening, and I would like to have only a fragrance about 25. Okay. Okay. So here is the oil, the number 5. You can find, I'm going to use an olive oil. Where are you, olive oil? Okay, so I'm gonna use an olive oil for mist, and I'm gonna add into this. And the next one, I'm going to use the coconut oil. I think that's on the top. Fractionated, because that is available in Africa. And shea butter, where are you? Down there. This shea butter is a very good for moisturizer, but it's not very good to put too much because you can feel a little bit oily in the soap, so we just put a little bit. And I'm gonna add as additional moisturizer sunflower. Okay, so I think I would like to work on the grams again, and the olive oil I would like to put 550 grams and 250 grams of coconut, and 50 grams only of shea butter, 50 grams only of sunflower. So what you do here is you just click the calculate recipe. All right, so now it gave you all the total of the recipe that you are making. If you can see here is 900 grams, and we put there as 900 grams, so everything is perfect. And we would like to print this one, so okay, let me put on the printing process. And then I would like to put here, the good thing with this, because you can already put the name, turmeric soap. Alright, so that is I would like to put, and check it again. Alright, so I'm going to put 22 grams of fragrance, and my saturation is 40.60, which is very good, I think. And the total of weight of my soap, it will be 1409 grams. The good thing with this, you can see by pounds or ounce, and the information, the oil, fragrance, and the information of your oil is here. I'm working on the grams. So in also down here on the bar quality, you can see the range, and your recipe is here. 41 the hardness, which is good. Cleansing is 28. So this one, it has a really good deep cleansing in your body. Conditioning is also really good in bubble, so it will bubble the soap nicely. And creamy is good enough. The creaminess is not going to be very hard, so it's good. And I'm not going to mention that all, but I will just make the video as short as possible. So on the additives is, I'm going to put an 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. So that is the rules. And in the essential oil, I would like to use about, maybe it's just about 10. How many is that? Okay, so it's 22. So I'm gonna put 11 gram of lemon grass essential oil. So I will also put an 11 gram of frankincense. I would like to use a frankincense because this one got a very good effect in the skin. So I would like to put that two together, and that's it. I'm going to print this one now, and let's do the job.